Hello, hello. I hope you're doing well. Shout outs to everyone that's been reaching out to us. This is our baby Yoda blanket. If you're not a Mandalorian fan, then I don't expect you to get this, but this is literally a blanket. It's ridiculous. Anyway, we're going to get you all the info on the state-funded solar program. I hope this video finds you well. If you don't know me already, I've been reaching out to you. My name's Lee Tyler. Shout outs to Aisha, Alan, Andy, Brian, Katherine and Greg, Cathy, Chase, Craig. Any questions that you have whatsoever, we are happy to answer them. We don't want to be pushy salespeople. We'll answer them how you want them answered, whether that be email, text, phone call, letter in the mail, whatever it is that gets you the information that you need or want to make an intelligent decision on whether or not you want to do this or not. And it doesn't matter to me whatsoever. My phone number, if you want to text me, that's what a lot of people are doing, asking me questions over text, is 917-282-6285. Shout outs to, if I didn't already say, Cathy, Chase, Craig, Durley, I hope you're doing well. Hope you found new work. Jean, John, Michael, Mike, Philomena, Veena, Wayne, and William. Anything that you possibly want to know about solar or roofing or anything of that nature and renewable energy, we are all about the environment. We are all about nature. And would love to show you something that's a no-brainer where you guys can save money day one and you don't pay anything out of pocket. And in any event, I hope this video finds you well. Baby Grogu says hello. So, let us know if you need anything. We don't want to be pests. We don't want to be pushy salespeople. We find that does not work nowadays. You are too smart to be sold into something that you don't want. So, hope you're having a fantastic night. And, I'm probably emailing this to you in the daytime. You know I recorded at night. But, yes, anything you need, let us know. And thank you. We'll be in touch. Bye now.